Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete XM from iPhone. Deleting an app from your iPhone is a simple process, but it's important to understand what actually happens when you remove it. When you delete the XM app, it is removed from the device, freeing up storage and stopping any background activity. However, your trading account itself is not deleted. You can still log in anytime by reinstalling the app. This guide explains the correct way to uninstall XM from an iPhone clearly and safely. So first, under the home screen, you can simply look at the XM app icon. Simply tap and hold the XM app for the 2 or 3 seconds. A menu will appear or the icon will start shaking here. You can simply tap the remove app in the top there and it will again ask you for the confirmation. What you can do is simply tap on the delete and the app is now fully removed from your iPhone. And that is it. App is removed from your phone, storage space is freed, your trading account still exists and you can reinstall anytime from the App Store. Deleting the XM app from your iPhone is easy. Just press and hold the icon or remove it to the setting. From the home screen, it only removes the app, not your account or trading data. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.